everybody, it's me, Artistry here, back with another video. Today's video is not going to be about a tutorial, vlogs, or anything. It's going to be about meet my birds. Yep, you heard it right, meet my birds. Because you've seen them in a bunch of my videos, and why not? Let me give you an introductory with these two. I've been living with birds my entire life, so they are like my world. I've had parakeets before, cockatiels, a parrot before. It was a Cockatiel. I've also had some doves and what else? Like a pigeon type of birds. Yeah, so I'm a bird lover. I'm a crazy bird lady, yes. That is who I am. And now it's time to introduce these two. Want to meet my birds? Just keep watching. So let's start off with the elder one, Dino. Right here, this one. Dino, let's introduce yourself. The camera is right there. Introduce yourself. So Dino over here, this one, he loves being on my shoulders. If I try to grab him like snow like that, he's not gonna want to cooperate with me at all. So let's just let him be on the shoulders. Dino over here, he is a cinnamon cockatiel. He's a male, and he is 5 years old. Well, he will be turning 5 in July. So my parents actually went to the bird store to get a cage, and they suddenly saw this one over there, and I don't know what made my parents buy him, but they just bought Dino. So when he came home that day, he was a baby. He was only like 6 months old back at that time. He looked like a dinosaur to me, like a baby dinosaur. So that is how I named him Dino. Because I couldn't name him Dinosaur, like, Dinosaur, come over here. No. So Dino it was. So Dino became friends with my other cockatiel. She was a female cockatiel, and yeah, she actually passed away this year. So she was 16 years old. But him and my other cockatiel, they both were like a couple. So Dino, he is a mirror obsessive and only likes me. He only loves me. Yes, he loves me. So if anybody else tries to grab him, he's a biter. He will bite, like, yeah, he will bite. So he's only my friend. Yeah, it took me 1 month to gain his trust. Well, as you can see, he loves to sing a lot. Yeah, he's a singer. He imitates a bunch of voices. So Dino's favorite food is basically millets. I've tried teaching him how to eat fruits and veggies, but he just wouldn't. So, yeah. He loves human food, which is basically like pancakes, waffles, bread. It's his favorite. He likes chips, but ever since my other bird, Choo Choo, she died, he just stopped eating everything, but he just eats seeds and millets. The Dino loves scratches. Yeah, like every time I'm like sitting down, he just comes and he's trying to grab my hands. And he's like, scratch me! Yeah, birds just love being scratched. He's a scratcher. He doesn't like to shower much. He's not a shower boy, and sometimes basically all I have to do is make him shower because birds need a shower. You got a shower, boy? Yeah, so like 2 days ago, I just sprayed him with water. He's only flew away like a couple times when he was a baby. He flew away to the roof, and then he flew away to my neighbor's tree. But after a couple of times, he just doesn't fly anymore. He loves being outside in the grass, and he loves his swing. Like, Every night when he sleeps on his swing, and he just loves it. And then he is a early morning waker. Yes. When I used to be in school, my birds were my alarm. Yeah, and he's still my alarm. He still wakes me up so early. Like, even in this quarantine, you guys. Dino loves going to car rides. He always goes through car rides. I mean, sometimes when it's just too boring, I just take him with me. We go to Starbucks, and yeah, he used to pick me up from school, and yeah, just like everywhere. He loves babies. Well, he only loves my nephew, but he loves babies. He tries to sing them to sleep when they're crying. That is about it with Dino over here. Do you want to say something? You want to give me a kiss? He really wants to just fly up there. There's actually rubber duckies I have over here. Like, ooh, rubber duckies, you want to play with them? Well, that's basically it about Dino. This one right here. He's actually seeing a mirror over there. I'm telling you, he's a mirror obsessive bird. He loves mirrors, so he actually wants to go, like, behind the phone. There's a mirror he wants. So, yes, you're handsome, baby boy. And he's still my baby. That's the mirror I'm talking about. Dino, you love mirrors, don't you? Mirror obsessive boy. You are. Cutie. I think I'm talking a lot. Do you two want water? Snow, you want water? I knew it. You wanted water. Ooh, you want a bath already? Okay, so Snow wants to bath. Do you want water? No? You don't? Okay. Alrighty, Snow, we will take a bath later. So here is Snow. He's really, really nice, and even he is also shoulder obsessive. Yep, yes he is. He's a male, and he's less than a year old. I actually got him this January, one day after my other bird passed away. Oh my god. So cute. Yeah, I know it's a bit too early to get a bird like the next day after one passes away, but then this one over here, he was really, really sad, and I just had to get him. So when I got him, I actually wanted it to be a male, and he is a male, so the only way how you can differentiate between female and male cockatiels is male is more vocal. Females are like more chubbier and yeah, they're not vocal. They are, but they're not. But these two, they're brothers. So he's just a baby right now. He's still molting, and it only took me like 2 weeks to gain his trust. He's so nice, like, he's really, really nice. He won't even bite me. Like, seriously, please bite me, Snow. He loves kisses and he loves scratches. I wanted to name him Ghostface, or like Ghost, or like Whiteface, but like, naming him Ghost sounds rude. So I just thought of some names like Rain, because it was a very cold, rainy day. So then I was like, ooh, why do I name him Snow? Even though I didn't get him from the snow. It was, you guys get me, right? The only human food that he eats is basically waffles. He doesn't eat human food. He's basically healthy. He loves his seeds and millets is his favorite. So I actually had to switch my places because it was getting a bit too hot over there, and I don't want them fainting. Just like Dino, he's a singer as well, but his singing is way too funny. He actually makes those cops alarm type of sounds, and it's just too funny. Actually turned on the fan because it's getting way too hot over here. It's basically 90 degrees, the place where I live. So anyways, when he sings, he basically spreads his wings to dance as well, and that's just so cute. So he's exploring and trying to imitate whatever this one always does. He's not mirror obsessive at all. Unlike Dino that doesn't like to shower, he loves water. He likes showering. Yep. And he's such a baby. You're so nice. Basically, if anyone was to come to my house, this one would be the one to bite, and this one would be the one to go walk up, and he's letting me like, give me scratches and I'll be your friend. Yep, he's that nice. So he hasn't basically seen the rest of the world right now because, well, duh, he's only like 11 months. He has been to a car ride, but he only went to the fuel station with me. Just like Dino, even Snow likes babies. He actually sings my little nephew to sleep, and he gets overprotective with my little nephew if anybody tries to touch him. So yeah, that's basically it about Snow as well. So that's basically it about these two. They don't really bother each other unless one of them like tries to beat one up. He hasn't beaten up him, and he never bites, so yeah, these two are just really, really nice, and he likes sleeping. So everything seems interesting to Snow. He's just exploring everything. I can't wait to see him become an adult bird. An adult bird. This one's just wanting to grab on my necklace. You do. No, you're gonna break it, baby. Both of them are really, really smart. They know how to open up the door to their cage so they can just come out and then go back inside. And yeah, I leave my birds open from morning till nighttime, so they don't really have a schedule to do like sleep or anything. They just do whatever they want to. Go wherever. So yeah, if you'd like to see more from my birds and my dog, I actually opened them an Instagram account called @crazy.petlover. So if you guys want to see them, go check them out. That's basically it about this video. Thank you all for meeting my birds. They said thank you back. And yeah, these two are basically my babies. I love being a bird mom. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and wait for more future videos with these two. Until next time, in my next video. See ya. Bye-bye from these two.